Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm doing the tutorial video of making the film strip shaker project. So this is the die and this is how you will cut out. So with this film strip die, you can cut your photos with these frames and then put them inside this to make the film strip that you can use them on your cards, on your albums, or on your planners. So that is the normal way of using this film strip die. And then I saw a post on Instagram that a lady made them into a shaker, and I think that is a great idea. So I use this also make into a shaker, and this is the shaker that I made. So since this die didn't designed to make into shakers, so I want to show you how I made it. So that's start, and these are the cells that I cut out, and then when you cut this out, you will get these cut-offs. Don't throw these away because they have use. And then cut this one with the foam, and since these two parts need to be trimmed off, so there is no need that you cut a whole part of this film strip. And the reason to trim off both sides is because the foam I use will stretch a little out after it runs through the machine, so it can't line up well. So if your foam don't have this problem, then you can use it, and see here that it can't line up well because the foam will stretch out a little. So in this way, I choose to cut them off, just cut off a little, and then put it on back side of this one. So you will not see the foam in the front side, and it will hide perfectly inside the shaker. You will not see it. And also, don't forget to cut acetate to make the shaker front. And then stick this acetate on the back side of this piece. And just trim off a little because it only stretch out a little, so don't trim off too much. Just make sure that they will line up well, so you can check from the back side. And then stick them. So make sure they will line up well. And I know it will seem like a little silly to make the shaker portion, but that's the way I'm thinking out. So if you have better ways, just let me know. So in the front side, you will not see the foams. And then you can trim off the extra part here. And now let's put a sequence inside. So just add glue in the inside two lines. Then there they will be sticky. Don't add them in the outside lines. And one more tip is that, see, there is notch here, and so when you stick them, just be sure that the notch is in the same way as the front side. And make sure you line up them well. And now we can use this cutout to hide these shakers. Now this shaker part is ready, and then you can add some stickers or ephemerals to decorate this shaker card. So I'm thinking of adding these parts here. And so this is the one that I made. So hope you like this tutorial I made, and if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I answer you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.